Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. How many ally accounts can I have? Before we get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about why this is such a popular question. Ally is a great bank for a number of reasons. They offer a variety of checking and savings accounts, as well as credit cards and investment products. They also have a great mobile app and online banking platform. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers a variety of products and services, Ally is a great option. But how many Ally accounts can you have? The answer to this question is, it depends. Ally allows you to open multiple accounts, but there are some restrictions. Here are the most important things to know. You can only have one checking account per household. You can have up to 5 savings accounts per household. You can have up to 5 credit cards per household. You can have up to 5 investment accounts per household. So, if you're looking to open multiple Ally accounts, you'll need to make sure that you're following these restrictions. Additional considerations. In addition to the restrictions mentioned above, there are a few other things to keep in mind when opening multiple Ally accounts. You'll need to provide your social security number for each account. You'll need to provide proof of your identity for each account. You'll need to provide proof of your address for each account. Once you've opened multiple Ally accounts, you'll need to manage them carefully. You'll need to make sure that you're keeping track of your login credentials and that you're regularly reviewing your account statements. Benefits of having multiple Ally accounts. There are a number of benefits to having multiple Ally accounts. Here are a few of the most important. You can organize your finances more effectively. You can earn more interest on your savings. You can get better deals on credit cards. You can track your spending more easily. So, how many Ally accounts can you have? The answer is, it depends. But as long as you follow the restrictions mentioned above, you can open multiple accounts and enjoy the benefits that come with them. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about how to open multiple Ally accounts, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.